Hey guys, welcome to GV's Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to manage users in your WordPress website. It's really simple and you can create unlimited number of users in your WordPress website. So first you need to log in into your admin dashboard of your website. Second thing is you need to have an admin privilege for your website. You cannot be editor or you cannot be an author or as a privilege in your for your account. You should log in as an administrator in your website before you create more users on your website, right? Once you log in, here you can see this option called as users. Open this. Now in this page, all the users who are right now having some or other roles in your website will be listed here. And to add new users, you need to click on this button, enter the username through which he or she can log in. So once the username is done, you can add the email address. And then you can add first name, last name, and website. This is optional. And if you don't want to manually share the password, you can just leave it as it is and select right particular role for that particular user and click on add new. This user will automatically get a notification and will be asked to create his own password. In some cases, you might want to create password for that particular user. In that case, you can click on this show password and you can either share this password or else you can create a new password for him and then select roles, confirm to use weak password. You need to create a more strong password, right? And then you can select the roles here. And don't worry about this, I'll give you a brief explanation about what are these roles and when to use which roles, right? Let me click on editor for now and then click on add new users. Right, so here now, as you can see, we have one administrator and one editor. Please note that they both don't have same user privileges, means they both, administrator can do anything from your website but editor cannot. Editor has almost 90% of privileges but still less than admin. Similarly, you can create editor, you can create contributor or author for your website. Now suppose you have created some users and then you want to change the user privilege. Let's say you have this editor called Rakesh and you want to make this user an administrator so that he can get complete control of this website. You just click on you just need to click on this edit option and then scroll down, and here roles, just select administrator, and then either you can change password, either you can generate a new password, or I'll just say update user. Go back. Now you can see the change. So you have now two administrators for this particular website, right? So coming to the second part of the video, as we saw, there were certain roles like admin, editor, contributor, author, right? So how to know which role will get what access? You can refer to this infographic for that purpose. And we didn't see a super admin right in here. That is because super admin only is valid for multi-site WordPress networks. So you don't have to worry about what's multi-site network for WordPress. We'll make another exclusive video for WordPress multi-site. For now, you can just focus on these roles, and as you can see, admin has all the control of your website. He can do whatever you want. Capabilities are listed on the left side, and here editor don't have these options like changing themes or adding or removing widgets, activating deactivating plugin, and he cannot add users or change roles for other users, right? These are the things that are critical and exclusively reserved for admin itself. Rest all things can be done by editor, and similarly author can only write blog articles, write his own posts, right? Similarly, contributor can view comments, write his own posts, edit his own posts, edit his own profile. Subscriber is nothing but he can just view his view all the publicly available pages, and he can edit his profile. We generally don't never use this subscriber option. So I'll give the link to this particular reference. You can see, you can go through it, and based on your requirement you can change roles for the users on your website. So I hope you understood how to manage users for your WordPress website clearly, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you very much.